Hey guys, oh my god, I think the last time I posted a video was 3 months ago. But anyway, so today I'm back with a life update video. So before I update you guys, I'm going to quickly share my fall favorite drink. So this is a hot chocolate drink, my favorite hot chocolate drink recipe. So this video is sponsored by Earth Echo. Their mission is to combine product quality and sustainability, which is amazing. They also only share organic, non-GMO food rich in nutrient-dense superfood. So this one is called Cacao Bliss. It's soy-free, dairy-free. It's also gluten-free for all of you guys who are doing a gluten-free diet, and it's also rich in so many other nutrients. So it has cinnamon, Himalayan salt, it has black pepper, it also has turmeric and lucumba. They're both rich in antioxidants, and it is a raw cacao. It is so hard to find a hot chocolate powder or a chocolate powder that is using raw cacao, but they are using raw cacao. So this is amazing. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I blend it. Of course, you can use any sweetener. I like to use dates because I like to keep it natural, and then I use almond milk. You can use any milk. 1 scoop of chocolate powder is enough, and then I like to add vanilla. That's optional. And of course, I blend all of this. You can also just cook it on the stove, but this is the easiest way to make it. And you guys all know how I like my latte. I always blend it, and it gives it this smooth texture, this latte texture. And then I like to add a little bit of chocolate powder on top, and this is how I love it, guys. You guys can check it out. I will leave the link in the description box below, and you will also get 15% off with the coupon code Naz in your order over $50. So yeah. Hey y'all, it has been a minute. I went MIA for the past 2 months, actually 3 months. The last video I posted was last Eid, and yeah, a lot of things happened ever since that video. So today I thought that before just coming back on YouTube, because I did film a lot of videos for you guys, I wanted to do a little update, a life update. So many things happened. I'm not the same person at all, guys. Oh my god, so much happened. The first thing, obviously, you guys all know, I gave birth. I'm a first-time mom. I'm a new mom. I can't wait for all the videos that I'm gonna be filming about, like, you know, stay-at-home mom videos and all those things. I love watching those videos. So that's the first thing. I gave birth in July. I'm going to be sharing the gender reveal video. I think it's gonna be the next video coming up. So that's why I'm not gonna say a lot of things about the baby's name, the gender, of course, and etc. But yeah, I'm a first-time mom, and I am definitely going to share with you guys all of my journey. I'm going to share with you guys postpartum, weight loss. I'm also going to share where my mental health is. Alhamdulillah, so far so good, so I'm not gonna complain. So I'm a first-time mom. That by itself is huge. My life is not the same anymore. I can't just do whatever I want, whenever I want. I really have to structure my day around my baby. So that's a big one. Another update, we moved, guys. I don't really want to show you guys how the house look, but we are a first-time homeowners, so we moved to our new built house. I'm going to share with you guys obviously a house tour. I did not do it in my previous apartment because, well, we were renting and it was not really our house, our place, but this is our place. I picked everything. I picked the chandeliers, I picked the flooring, I picked the island color. If you guys see my island, You'll be shocked. I think the reason why I took this house is only because of the island and also the lighting. I really love the lighting. There's windows everywhere. Anyway, so I'm going to share also obviously a house tour. Bit by bit, I'm going to be decorating my house. So I'll be sharing a lot of videos, house organization, house decoration, etc, etc. I'm also going to finally build my baby's nursery. Because we were moving and because, well, a newborn doesn't really need a nursery because right now the baby sleeps with us in the room, but eventually the baby will have to move. And anyways, I need a place to put my baby's clothes and my baby stuff, so I have to build a nursery. So I'm gonna also bring you guys along with me in that journey. What else, guys? What else? So what else? Yeah, and obviously I am on maternity leave, so my plan basically is to post more often, but obviously I can't really guarantee a schedule now because my baby is still growing and everything involves around my baby. Seriously, every time my baby's napping, that's the only time I can cook, clean, unbox, and etc. I think mainly what you guys should expect in the next year and a half, because I took a whole 18 months of maternity leave, is postpartum recovering. Giving birth is not a joke. I'm pretty sure if you guys are already moms, you know what I'm talking about. Giving birth is something else. So obviously I did not vlog my birth when I was giving birth. It's not something I would want to do in the future either, so do not expect that from me. But I am actually planning on recording a video and talk about my birth story because it was something else. And giving birth during COVID-19 is special in it by itself. So a lot of things happen. I'm gonna be also talking about all the challenges a new mom, especially a new mom, encounter with families and everything. Everybody has something to say when you're a mom. They always have something to say, and when you're a new mom, it's more difficult because you're also learning. So you don't know what advice to take, you don't know who to listen to. And I'm a nutritionist, so I do know a bit about nutrition and how, but I learn about infants nutrition, babies nutrition. So I know that there's nothing better than breastfeeding your baby, and that is what I'm doing. I'm exclusively breastfeeding, and I did encounter so many challenges. I don't know, for some reason in my community, breastfeeding is not the best thing to do. I think it's because it's coming from basically what happened in the 80s. Long story short, companies who were basically selling formula were advertising as the formula being better than breast milk, which is not true at all. Some people like to combine both. So I heard everything. So basically your baby is not getting enough milk, so you need to add formula, give formula at night so your baby sleeps longer, give your baby water because your baby might be dehydrated. So much stuff. But anyways, I think that's gonna be a video by itself. I have a lot of things to say about it. A lot of things change in my life, and yes guys, yes, I gained so much weight. Oh my god, I think I'll have to do a video for that too. I gained so much weight. I can tell you guys how much I weighed. Before becoming pregnant, I was 65 kilograms. In pounds, around, it should be around like 135. And now, basically, and when I was given birth, when I was 9 months pregnant, I went all the way up to 105 kilograms. I gained a lot of weight. So in total, I gained, I think, from 65 to 145. That's 40 kilograms. That's like almost 90 pounds. That is how much I gained, guys. 90 pounds. And most of it happened in the last trimester, because the first and the second it was pretty stable. And I think it's because I was kind of doing like I was doing keto in and out, and you know, when you eat a lot of fat combined with sugar, it does not go well. But I didn't care. I was hormonal and I just wanted to, you know, and my specialty is basically losing weight, so that's my challenge. So when I gave birth, when I gave birth, I lost obviously the baby's weight. So I went down to 90 kilograms. So today, as we're speaking, I'm 93 kilograms. So I have to basically lose around 70 pounds. And I'm not rushing the process. This is a recovery and a healing process more than a weight loss process. So obviously I'm gonna bring you guys along with me with my weight loss journey, and that's gonna be very exciting. I'm going to be sharing fitness videos, going back to the gym. That is by itself so exciting. I think the last time I went to the gym is like 5 years ago, but now that I will have the time, because obviously I'm on maternity leave and my baby will be a little bit more independent, I'm definitely planning on doing workout videos. So yeah guys, I don't want this video to be too long. This is my update. So obviously the next video will be the gender reveal video. If you guys are also wondering if I'm going to be sharing my baby on my YouTube channel, I am not. Obviously I'm going to be sharing our routine. I'm going to be sharing the type of food that I'm going to give my baby, but I'm not going to share my baby on my YouTube channel. And the reason is really simple. I really want to give my baby the chance to choose whether or not he or she wants to be like on a social media platform. So I might change my mind in the future, but for now my baby is just, I want my baby to have a regular life. So I'm not gonna be sharing my baby on my YouTube channel, but I'm going to be obviously sharing everything around everything involving around my baby. So that's it guys. This hot chocolate is amazing. It is amazing. I think it was my go-to throughout my last trimester. I was always craving hot chocolate, and this is a nutritious hot chocolate. Well, chocolate powder, so you can do everything with it. But there's nothing better than mixing pleasure and nutrition, you know. So that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little life update video. If you guys have any video recommendation, please leave it in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm going to be sharing a lot of Q&As and basically my day-to-day routine. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll put it here. My name is Naz_nutritionist. So it's pretty easy to find me. That's it for this video. I don't want it to be too long. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. I would really appreciate it. My goal is to reach the 10K by the end of this year. Inshallah, that's the plan. But God always has better plan for you. So that's the plan guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see each other very soon with a gender reveal video. Stay safe guys. Bye.